Hey, let me show you how you can input the SIM card into your Google Pixel 8a. First of all, just remember to prepare this nano SIM card size. So this is actually the smallest one. Then you have to you have to grab the SIM tool that you can find in the box, or you can use SIM tool from any other smartphone. Then the slot is located right here on the left side of the smartphone. Input this tool right here and then hold it and press. And now you'll find that this SIM slot is open, so we can grab it with your fingernails, try to put it towards you, and now we have to input our SIM card, just like this, with the gold pins at the top. And now to put it back, quite simple. Put it slowly, and now just press with your finger, and now it's finished. So you will be able to turn on your device and input the SIM code of your card. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.